everyone, in today's tutorial I will show you how to protect all worksheets when closing the Excel workbook with VBA code. Normally you can manually protect a worksheet or the whole workbook by password with the protect worksheet or protect workbook feature in Excel. To automatically protect all worksheets when closing workbook, please apply the following VBA code. In the workbook you want to protect all worksheets when closing the file. Hold down the Alt F11 keys to open the Microsoft Visual Basic for Applications window. Double click this workbook in the left pane and then paste the following VBA code into the module window and type your password inside the double quotation. Then press the Alt Q keys to close the Microsoft Visual Basic for Applications window, and after the above step, all worksheets or a specified worksheet will be protected automatically when closing the workbook. And click the Save button, and in the popped up Microsoft Excel, you must save the workbook as Excel macro enabled workbook file format. Click yes, and please go to the certain worksheet, and as you can see it's protected. Please do not forget that the link to the VBA code is provided in the video's description. Thanks for watching and please subscribe for more videos.